Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see how to reuse your old glass bangles part 2. And for the first DIY, you will need old plastic bottle and a paper cutter. And with the help of a paper cutter, cut the top part of the bottle. And after cutting the top part, cut the side. And split it into two and take one side, and in the before video you will see how to make these type of bangles, and I will give the link in the description. And take that bangle and take a paper and mark its surrounding with a pen or sketch. And after marking, cut the markings and stick the paper at the side of the bangle, so that if you are keeping any stuffs inside it, it will not fall down. And stick all the papers for all the bangles and cut the excess paper if you have in your bangle. And take the bottle that we have cutted and fix the bangles and stick the bangles with the help of glue gun or fevistick, and stick them with a strong glue so that it will not fall down. And stick the three bangles to the bottle. And after sticking, our super duper easy DIY organizer is ready. And you can keep any things you want, like makeup things, like nail polishes, lipsticks, or pencil sketch pens, paper clips, eraser, sharpener, and anything you have. And it will be a very attractive organizer too. And in this we are making only with the bangles and the waste old plastic bottle, and it is cost free DIY too. And let's go to the second DIY. The same thing that we made, I have kept it horizontally and I have transferred and transformed it into a bangle stand. One idea, two uses. And let's go to the third DIY. I am taking 8 to 9 bangles and I am sticking my glue. And I am sticking each bangle upper side. And after sticking the bangles, take the ice cream stick and apply your glue and stick with the bangles. And our homemade bangle stand is ready. And you can keep any bangles you have in your home. And let's go to the next DIY. For this DIY, I have taken a bangle and I have cutted the ice cream stick to its size. And I am applying the glue and sticking to the bangle. And the same way I am sticking to all the three bangles. And after sticking, I am taking an ice cream stick and sticking to the bangle. The same way I am sticking for all the three bangles. Apply glue and I am sticking. And our homemade earring holder is ready. And let's test it. See how beautifully it holds. Hope you like the. And let's go to the next DIY. For this DIY, I'm taking the bangle and marking its shape and sticking the paper at the end, and take the two bangles and at the end which we applied glue, and I'm sticking the cotton and I'm sticking the bangle too. And after that I'm keeping a drop of glue and sticking the ice cream stick so that it holds in a place. And to hide the ice cream stick, I'm again sticking the cotton. So our homemade box is ready with the bangles, and you can keep any stuffs you want. And hope you like the video, and thanks for watching.